So if this time dilation is true, why do we not normally observe that in day to day? Well, in actual fact, the equation helps to explain quite fully why. If we look at this in a wee bit more detail, we can express it more as a ratio of t dash to t, and we see that that depends upon this more complicated term, 1 over square root of 1 minus v over c all squared. But if v is very small compared to the c, and remember the speed of light is 3 times 10 to the power 8 meters per second, it's a very fast speed, then that term is going to be 0. When you square it, it's going to get even smaller. It's going to be close to 0, sorry. Square it will get even smaller. Subtract it from 1, you'll get 1. Take the square root of 1, you'll get 1. And the whole right-hand side here then just enumerates to 1. So this means that generally, for small speeds, t dash is equal to t. We don't notice these time dilation effects at low speeds. In actual fact, it's not until we start to get to more significant speeds that we start to recognise them. And if you look at this axis here measures the speed as a fraction of the speed of light. And what we see is there's almost no difference between the red line, the graph that we're plotting, and the value 1, which is this black dashed line, up to 0.1 times the speed of light. You can just about to see it starting to separate as we get above 0.1, above 10% the speed of light. But then as you start to get even faster than that, we start to get even more significant effects. So the red line starts to diverge away from the black line. And in actual fact, as we get closer and closer to the speed of light, the red line tends towards infinity. So time becomes infinitely slow, basically, as you tend towards infinity, the speed of light. V cannot be greater than c, because if we look at this equation as well, you would get the square root of a negative number on the bottom line, right, and the denominator as well. So time dilation shows us that nothing can travel faster than the speed of light. It can't travel at the speed of light as well, because then you'd be dividing by 0. It's an undefined number as well.